Cyber threats are increasing every day, and small businesses are the easiest targets. In this video, we'll show you why Office 365 backup is essential for small business survival. Small businesses depend on Office 365 for emails and data, but cyber attacks, accidental deletion, and system failures can put critical information at risk. That's why having a proper Office 365 backup is important. Why small businesses are easy targets. Small businesses often lack strong security systems, have limited IT support, and are more vulnerable to phishing attacks, making them easy targets for hackers. Some common cyber threats. Office 365 users face threats like phishing emails, ransomware, account hacking, and accidental or malicious data deletion. The only tool that can help. To protect your data, use the Advik Office 365 backup tool. Download and install the tool using the link in the description. How the tool works. Launch the tool and sign in with your Office 365 credentials. Select the mailbox folders that you want to export. Now choose the export format like PST or PDF. Set the destination path and start the backup. That's it. Your Office 365 emails are securely archived in your chosen format. Features of the tool. The tool backs up Office 365 emails and contacts, offers over 30 saving options, supports multiple accounts, and ensures fast and secure backup. Cyber threats can strike anytime, but data loss doesn't have to. With a reliable Office 365 backup, your business stays protected, prepared, and secure. Thank you for watching. Stay safe with Advik software. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more email backup and migration solutions.